Jack.
Jack's first time trying fruit. He's excited. Yeah.
Oh, what is that strange taste?
I hope he likes pears. Yum yum. Do you like it?
Doesn't taste like squash.
It's like you can't decide if he likes it or not.
Is it too sweet? Too much sugar. You like it? Try some more. Try some more. Try some more. Ooh, so sweet. I don't know if he likes it. You don't like it? What do you think? What do you think? Want some more? Do you not like it? Is that too much food? Some more? No.